I am trying to teach everyone out there what I have learned over 35 years. There are a few bad practices out there that aren't worth mentioning. You don't have to do them. You know, contractors, the price is pretty good for tiling. The prices are pretty good for tiling now, so you know there's no need to scrimp on glue and daub your walls and all that sort of shit. Yes, you've got to build your tiles out and pack sometimes if you've got a shitty wall, but I went and priced a job yesterday and it's all just dabbed in 50-cent piece size, and like sort of, or a bit bigger than that, 6 round spots to a tile. The tile's about a 250 by 200, sort of 20 years old, but there's no need for that shit anymore. The prices are good, glue's cheap, I reckon. You know, if you pay 30 bucks a bag, that's cheap. Materials are cheap. No need to scrimp and scrape and try and make $1 out of saving glue. And you know what I say about that? If you're trying to save money on glue, well then you must think your time is worthless, because it takes you longer to try and save glue, and what are you saving? A few dollars. You know, it's a no-brainer. Use a bit of glue, the job's better. If you're doing group housing, guys, and the prices is terrible, move on. Tell the builder to go stick it. Pay a decent price. Command a better price than the group housing price. Right, I'll come back to you. I'll wipe that off and then I grout again. But you see that grout that I mixed up goes a long way. It goes a long way. See you people, love you.